Greetings, beautiful people, travelers, and wonders alike. Here at the Level Hotel, Vancouver, BC, Canada. This location is the Yaletown Seymour location. I'm going to give you a narrated tour of the one-bedroom suite. This is room number 407. So without further ado, we're going to start on the inside because it's loud out down the hallway. But as you walk through the door, this is your initial view here. Very spacious, open floor concept. Here to your immediate right, you have your in-suite, stackable washer and dryer with some complimentary detergent as well. Then you have a very large utility closet here. Plenty of space to hang your items. Comes with a full-size iron board and a level umbrella. You also get you a dustpan and broom as well. And the floors are nice. They're not heated, but they're nice. Then to your immediate left here, you got your bathroom. So you have your tub and shower combo. Get your complimentary hygiene products, standard, and seems to be just only one option for your shower head option. So get a little medicine cabinet, simple vanity, and actually it has drawers underneath. Get your blow dryer. Then another drawer has some extra tissue paper. So, and to the left of the bathroom, you have another large, very large closet. It's like a super walk-in closet here. But more space to like hang extra items, store luggage, whatever the case may be. I don't know, if your children acting up, you put an air mattress in here and make them sleep in here. But alternatively, there are other sleeping options. Nice sized table here. And a full kitchen. With stove, microwave, dishwasher, stove top, all that good stuff. You got your Keurig here with some complimentary coffee options here. Got your Pyrex, other cooking items. You got your hideaway refrigerator and freezer. And your freezer. You got more cookware. Got your little small conventional oven there. Even more cookware. Got you some corks, gloves, mittens, rags for dishes. Everything you need to have a home away from home. All the cutlery you need. I know this is a hotel, but there are other properties for a level that you can have longer stays, extended stays for as well. Got your bowls, your mugs, some salt and pepper. As well as your glasses, a tall pitcher as well. Another thing that's very convenient is that they have power outlets along the backsplash, quite a few. Now there's not going to be a lot of power options when it comes to like your USBs, your Type-Cs, as like updated modern charging. So if you have any kind of power adapters that do have those extra USB or C-type, whatever, micro USB, I would recommend bringing those here, and then there'll be plenty of places for you to plug your chargers into the wall outlets. This is going to be your living room space here. Nice size coffee table. And this is your queen size sofa bed. You got split AC, split heating. And you have a workbench area here as well. Plenty of lighting. Nice size television, and I'll get into those features here in a little bit. Also, you have nice size balcony. Yeah, I'm gonna cover that up. No shoes on. But either way, you can get even more lighting in here by manually sliding the blinds back, opening up the curtains and whatnot. So you get plenty of lighting, even on a nice little gloomy day like it is today. Whenever you're watching this video, Happy New Year's 2026. January the 1st. Get you some more air by opening the window here. They also have the same configuration in the bedroom. Speaking of the bedroom, your queen size bed there. Comfortable, already been laid on it. You got this full-size mirror here as well, right behind the door, and then another walk-in closet with a lot of space. So you get a couple robes, but you can see all the space you have to like hang items, like a lot. Then you have a drawer here, which is safe at the bottom. Your drawer space, they're pretty deep as well. You got a document here for your dry cleaning and laundry services as well. Side table for even more storage. And the same is for the other side table on the opposite side of the bed as well. You got some power outlets here. And then again, nice size television as well. And also open up these blinds for more lighting on the inside of the room. There's your view of the balcony there. As I stated earlier, you can also open up this little window here to get you some more fresh air inside as well. So there's no split AC or heating in here. However, temperature is regulated through this thermostat right here. Yeah, that's it for 407, this one bedroom suite. Very suitable for small family, you know, maybe up to like 6 to 8 people maybe. You can come in here, go to the store, get your groceries, everything you need to have an actual meal, prepare everything yourself, save yourself some money. Highly recommend it. So now let me get into these TV options for you. Alright, for the television, I'm not exactly sure who the service provider is, but there's no welcome screen or anything like that, but you do have plenty of options here. So you see you have just standard television. Also at the bottom here you have some apps for Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus, Apple TV, YouTube. You can just log into your accounts to see those things. You can order movies as well with some subscriptions. So there's plenty of options that you can utilize here without having just to watch standard television. Also on your remote here, you have the icons for Amazon Prime, Samsung TV Plus, and Netflix as well. So yeah, you have plenty of TV options. You can change your preferences. Also on the side over here, they have like games and things of that nature. So, or I believe if you even have a Samsung TV yourself, you can just log into your account on your own. But there you have it. 407 one bedroom suite here at the Level Hotel. Hope y'all got something out of this. If you've stayed at a Level before, let me know what your thoughts are. I think a lot of hotels are getting into that wellness and amenity mindset as well. So, till next time, one love, peace.